Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll share with you the FeedMe, the new version, menu version 4. So in this version 4, it includes the price group, the add-on, the new setting as well. Thank you.
Okay, first, make sure your FeedMe post system are version 7. First, go to your browser and search FeedMe post download. Then, make sure you are download for version 7. So for the iOS, you can download in the App Store. For the Android, you can download APK, same as the Windows. Then, log into your FeedMe portal. So click on the portal, then click on Menu. This is for you to edit your menu. So all the categories add-on are shown in here already. So first, go to the Add Product. So here you can insert your product name. Let's say ABC. Then you can put a description and add on the product image. So in here, if this item is served as a product, so just click select this. Then you can select your category. Let's say beverage, food, or other category. So in this version, you can multiple tick, means this item will exist in multiple category. Then select a subcategory if you want. Then you can put your selling price. And for the SSD, normally I will leave it because in the future, if your restaurant got applied SSD, then you don't need to turn on one by one again. And you can set the rate by your own. If your item is no fixed price, then you can turn on open price. Or you can sell by unit. You put like this. Let's say 100 gram. Then you can track your costing, but this one you need to subscribe the inventory module. Other than that, you also can set as a minimum price after apply discount. Then for the printing part, normally I'll turn on this group with parents if you have add-ons. KDS configuration, I'll put all at once. Sequence dispatch means that you will follow by the link road. Let's say I will print the beverage first, then I'll print with the kitchen. Or you can change the sequence like this. On the variants as usual, just select only, and then the group as well. And then you can link with your inventory or set your takeaway charges. After that, just click add. Let's say your ABC got add-ons. Very simple, you go to add product. Let's say I put extra syrup. Then I click sell as add-on only. Then let's say I put 1 ringgit. Then link road, which is I print in the beverage. Then I click add. So in my ABC, I click here. Under the add-on, I click here, group. I can add group, let's say for my ABC. So I can put 0, or I choose 1. Or you can turn on stackable, means you can click more than 1. You can link the product, which is the syrup just now. Then you can multiple tick also. Just click confirm. Then you show like this. And click add. And tick on ABC, because this add-on group only for ABC. After that, just click update. The add-on that I create just now, okay, under the add-on group, see the extra syrup will link to this item, which is the ABC. So don't forget, go to the publish and just click publish. Or you can publish all for all outlets. Open your FeedMe post. In your password. So when taking order, see the ABC, when you click it, it shows is it need extra syrup or not. Then just click confirm. Furthermore, if you want to delete your product, very simple. Click on the item, then just click remove. Then don't forget to click publish. Then your item will be removed. In addition, let's say you got multiple price, let's say for 100 plus, you can add the price group, which is here. Let's say I put retail price. So my normal price I sell in 2 ringgit, but my retail price only sell 1 ringgit 50 cents, for example. Then click update. So when you create the catalog, you can add the catalog here. Let's say for my retail, then I can choose, I can link the price group, which is the retail that I create just now. So I click add. So the retail price shows here. Then this pricing you can use for like delivery or pick up or other menu purpose, or for other outlet menu purpose. And you can manage the category, your add-on groups, your takeaway setting, and your category setting as well. In addition, for the new version of V4, you also can set for your auto markup price by adding your percentage or custom item and link by your own. So let's say for example, my normal price is 2 ringgit, but I set my retail price only 1 ringgit 50 cents for the 100 plus, it shows here. Other than that, if you want to apply multiple catalog. So click on the outlet and turn on the retail. Click update, then just click publish. In your POS system, when you hold the table, it shows another catalog. So when I order the 100 plus, it shows 150 cents, which is the retail price of it. Furthermore, let's say I got items they want to print first or set the serving sequence. Let's say I want to print the soup first. Very simple. First, you need ready the soup and then in the category. Then go to serving sequence. Then click add sequence. I put the name soup. Then I select the product, which is the soup. Then add sequence. So which means that if I got another item, let's say the food, the main course, I want to print the food first. Then I select the food, add sequence. So now I got soup and food. So once I set the serving sequence, if I order soup and food, it will print the soup item first, then follow with the food. Then don't forget to click publish. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari POS system, cari Seng.
Find Guinness Post, find out.
Seng.
找 POS system 找 Seng